Hello everybody, my name is Alexander, Porsche Certified Brand Ambassador, Champion Porsche in South Florida, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's walk-around video, we'd like to present you this spectacular one-of-one Sonderwunsch specification, paint to sample Porsche 911 GT2 RS. And this is truly a one-of-one specification. In today's walk-around video, we're going to highlight why. And of course, before we do so and look at all the details inside and outside, let's talk about this generation GT2 RS in general. This GT2 RS is based on the 991.2 generation, produced for the US market as a model year 2018 and 2019. Out of those vehicles, which of course was a limited amount of vehicles, very few of them were paint to sample, and to narrow that down even more, very few of them were Sonderwunsch specification, which is also known as the Special Wishes Department. Let's first take a look at the details on the outside. Before we do, let's of course talk about the mechanical part of the vehicle. Powered by a twin-turbo 700 horsepower flat six, still till today the most powerful road-going Porsche GT car that Porsche has ever produced, especially with the rear-wheel drive, the use of all these lightweight materials, the high downforce, and therefore also the high mechanical grip. Now, the car was produced in two different versions. You had the standard specification or the optional Weissach package. Now, that name of course rings a bell to a lot of enthusiasts, as Weissach is the location of the test and developing center of Porsche in Germany. Now, the Weissach specification is recognizable on the outside, starting with the front hood. So you can see it is made out of carbon fiber, but you have the exposed carbon on the side and then the Nardo Grey in the middle part. Now, Nardo Grey to a lot of enthusiasts will also ring a bell, as that is actually a color from a different German car manufacturer. So how cool that this is now on a GT2 RS. The next one to recognize the Weissach package is the roof, again made out of carbon fiber. You can see the middle part again being painted in Nardo Grey. On the standard non-Weissach vehicle, the roof is made out of metal and it will be one color in the body color of the vehicle. And the last part of the Weissach package, at least on the outside, is going to be the wing. You can see again the use of carbon fiber for the rear wing, but the carbon fiber is exposed where it's not painted, while the standard vehicle has the painted carbon fiber wing. Now, a lot of carbon fiber in general. Right, you can also see it applied on the mirror caps, you can see it applied on the window triangle as well. You can also see it on the air outlets, on the fenders themselves. Now, the fenders themselves are made out of carbon fiber, but for example, if this was a GT3 RS of a 991.1 generation or 991.2 generation, this is actually made out of plastic, but for the 2RS they went to carbon fiber. You can also see the very famous NECA ducts. This actually was the first vehicle to run the NECA ducts as a GT2 RS. Now, what they do is actually blow air on the front brake calipers, of course to cool down the brake pads inside the calipers for more high performance driving. And you can see the brakes are made out of carbon ceramic, of course recognizable by the different specific size of the rotor itself, the material recognizable as carbon ceramic with a beautifully painted yellow caliper, which is Porsche's signature design for the carbon ceramics. Now, if you look at the front, you can see also a very specific GT2 RS front splitter. This splitter actually has so much pressure in terms of high-speed driving, in terms of downforce, that this vehicle actually has these supports that you can see right behind the mesh here. So multiple supports here. Now, they had to do this because there's so much pressure in terms of downforce on this splitter that they had to reinforce it with these specific cables, and that was only for the GT3 RS. Also, these intakes are very large. Now, one of the reasons is of course the cooling, being a twin turbo flat six, but also very cool is this car actually carries a distilled water tank in the front, and this distilled water is being used to actually spray the water jet onto the intercoolers to keep the intake temperatures cold, which of course for a 700 horsepower 3.8 liter flat six is crucial, especially if you drive this car hard, for example on the racetrack. You can see this one is equipped with the black LED headlights. Also a cool feature to this car is again, as I mentioned, the intake, but also the side skirts, which for example are quite a bit larger than on the 991.1 GT3 RS. I mentioned, of course, earlier the intake. What about tires? These are running the Cup 2s, this specific vehicle, 20 inches in the front, 21 inches in the back with a 325 rear section tire. Rear axle steering system standard for the GT2 RS. Now, one of the first Sonderwunsch specifications that you can see on the outside is actually the color of the wheels. Now, many of the enthusiasts actually know the color white gold, for example, satin white gold from the 997 generation GT2 RS. But look at the color on this one, again, white gold, but now actually in a gloss polished version instead of satin. Very cool, especially with also these GT2 RS specifically carved here in the aluminum wheel, lightweight wheel of course. Center locking, which of course is standard for a GT product of this nature. Again, 20 inches in the front, 21 inches in the back. If we look at the rear, we can also see this carbon intake on the back engine deck lid. For example, if this was a GT3 RS, that would be made out of plastic, but on the 2RS they went all the way to carbon fiber. And continuing to the rear, we can see the adjustable rear wing itself, which of course we also saw on the GT3 RSs as well. We see the darker LED taillights in the back. And being a 991.2 generation, these cars actually had the backup camera as well. So from that standpoint, a little bit more practical. Big downforce also means big diffusers. On the lower section, we're going to have a diffuser under the rear. That diffuser was initially introduced on the 911R in 2016 and then carried over on the GT3 RS and GT2 RS of the 991.2 generation. High downforce, high power, of course, especially with these large turbochargers, the amount of turbo spool and the whistle that you can hear, it's just incredible. Okay, let's take a look on the inside where we're going to see more Sonderwunsch. And this is really where the story starts of the original design. This vehicle was initially owned and ordered by a celebrity in the sporting world. And if you actually look at the Porsche crest, for example, on the steering wheel, you can see that dual tone effect from the left to the right or the right to the left. And that's what's the inspiration for the seats. So you can see the sport seat as a driver. The lightweight bucket seat is finished in Bordeaux leather on the outer edges. And you can see the passenger side is in this beige goldish tone. And that's how the inspiration was from the Porsche crest to create this truly unique interior, especially also with the use of the houndstooth on both the inserts as on the center armrest as well. And even the center armrest shows this dual tone with Bordeaux on the left of the armrest and the beige goldish on the right. This car also has a lot of extended leather packages, so you can see it both applied on both the dashboard, as the side of the dashboard, as actually on the door sill, on the lower section, all wrapped in beautiful black leather. And of course, being a GT2 RS product, it does not carry any back seats, as it's truly a track-inspired, high-performance car. All running a 7-speed PDK transmission. This car also equipped with a front axle lift system as well, which tends to be, of course, a very desirable option to be able to raise the front by about an inch and a half. The Weissach plaque also applied on the passenger side to indicate the Weissach packages on this vehicle. Now, normally would also show Weissach on the actual headrest for the vehicle, but in this case, the Sonderwunsch department on this customized seat actually had GT2 RS stitched or embroidered in the actual headrest, which again is a special wish request. This vehicle is available currently from our pre-owned inventory. It's a very low mileage example with just under 1900 miles. And again, in this color combination with this Sonderwunsch specification, truly a one-of-one in the world. Again, my contact information will be in the video description. My name is Alexander, Porsche certified brand ambassador at Champion Porsche. See you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.